people probably now ask how to make money online in 2020, especially with what happened in the world now with coronavirus. Affiliate marketing is perhaps one of the best online business models that can help you make money online without too much effort and large investment or capital. So, that is why we decided to share with you some knowledge on affiliate marketing and help you get on your feet and start earning in 2020. Hi, Konstantin Obreja here, known as CashflowXFiles. I'm an affiliate marketer for more than 2 years where I managed to earn a lot of money just by selling other people products and get paid a commission. So in today's video I will show how to copy my success story and make it big for you. If you are new here, make sure don't miss out and subscribe to my channel and hit that subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a video like this. Plus let me know in a comment below what is your favorite method of making money in 2020. In this video, we will cover some essential knowledge about affiliate marketing, what mistakes to avoid as a beginner, and learn how you can make money online with just a few clicks. In addition, we will talk about a very renowned and highly recommended training program that will not only help you to earn money through affiliate marketing but will also unlock your true potential to make online strategies, set up blueprints, learn about customers' psychology of buying products, develop your overall intelligence and much more. But first, let us take a dive into the world of affiliate marketing and learn what it is and how it works. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing in a broad sense is marketing where you recommend a product from your personal platform through an affiliate link and earn a commission from that referral. This involves 3 parties: 1, the person who is selling the product; 2, an affiliate who gives recommendations or referrals to the third party; 3, the person who buys the recommended product from your given link. Your work is to get into a certain affiliate program, like partner up with e-commerce, web hosting platforms, or other affiliate programs to promote the product in your personal platform, social media, YouTube, website. Why you should do affiliate marketing. Here below are some reasons why you should be involved in affiliate marketing. It is one of the best sources of passive income. It does not require any specific qualifications. You don't need to be an expert in writing, managing, or marketing. You are the sole operator of your business. You don't need to worry about inventories, supply, or cancellation. Limitless products to recommend. How you can make money. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and cheapest online marketing models to make money, especially in 2020 because of advancing technologies. But, in order to earn that commission you will need to keep certain things in mind. These include: 1. You have to be patient. Sure, affiliate marketing is easy, but this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building your audience will require time and patience. 2. Do your homework. Beginners often make the mistake of underestimating the power of research and proper blueprint. Don't be that person if you want to earn money online. 3. Provide value and quality first. Do not focus on earning money right away. People will click on your links only if they will find that your content is valuable and helpful. 4. Get a mentor. There is a lot of competition in this industry, which means you will need proper training, skills, mentorship for correct guidance. Remember, if you want to get results in less time you need to give up the trial and error method. This brings us to a highly recommended training program, Entre Institute. Entre Institute. This training is for those who want to see maximum results on their affiliate site or other affiliate platforms. Entre Institute is owned and managed by Jeff Lerner, who is an investor, entrepreneur, speaker, and creative trainer. This training program is designed for beginners and advanced affiliate marketers who wish to take their online business to the next level and leave a mark of their success. The good part, the training is not limited to affiliate marketing. It gives you a whole lot of understanding about the online business world, how your customers are changing their tastes, what is or what can possibly hold you back in your journey, and much more. We suggest following the link below this video and discover your true potential to be an affiliate marketer with the help of an experienced and right